Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn call method with the passing of arguments in functions. So JavaScript function, basic function we have seen earlier. Now we are going to extending more and more with the advanced function we are going to seeing now. Let's see within a script how I am preparing a function statements very simply. Using const keyword person, I'm taking a person words, and these this is I'm going to assigning like a dictionary items. So let's see here, I'll add like a full name that equal to like a, here I'm writing like a fun, yes, function name. These are the things are required here. It's in a Sublime Text Editor is giving these things. Okay, so the function, inside the function I am creating two arguments. What is a city comma country, country, country. Two parameters I have added. Now the body would be, the body of the function would be return. This keyword would be used whenever we are implementing inside. So I'll write this implementation first name and plus plus concatenation would be done with this dot last name, this dot last name, and again concatenation would be there with the help of city, yeah, city, and same again. If what we need to do, like city after city we need to put like a plus plus, again double quotes, comma country, yes, country, and terminate. So this is the function where we have prepared for the return statement. So where is the first name, where is the last name? Let's see. I'm making independent like a person 1, person 2 data we are going to preparing now. So const like a PRSON1, here what we can create, yes. Now what we require now, first name, what is the first name for the person, like John. Last name would be Perry. So the dictionary items I'm prepared here. So here it is not terminated, we can put the comma. So the first name, last name of the person one is over. So take a copy of this code block and make it as one more data item conveniently, which is a person 2. Okay, so Mary Alice. So the data of the two persons we have added, and we have prepared a function very clearly done successfully. All right, now we need to call the particularly this function with the full name. How? Using the call method we can call it. So let's see now how it is possible to call. Let's write here like a person, yes, person. We have created a class with the variable of the person by pressing dot full name, where we have specified the full name of the function, yes, this one person dot, we are getting not full name, yes, we are getting here. So the person dot full name, we have identified person dot full name. By pressing dot, there is a method called call, and here we need to call using the call method to passing the arguments to the function. Which function? This full name function. So what is the first one? Either this data or this data. Which data you want to call? Based on that you have to specify. So I'm taking as the first one, first argument, and making comma. What are the two arguments? Hyderabad and comma country INDIA. Save it and run the program. Wow, John Perry, Hyderabad, India. He is successfully coming. See, now you may understand. This full function name is going to be assigning this first name and last name from the person 1. So the first name, last name, these are going to be, this keyword is used to. This keyword is used to representing the data items are going to be mapping for this particular function. Alright. Similarly, this dot last name. So if I given this call method the person 2, what happens now? This block of code will be going to be taken as this. Save it and reload. Mary Alice, Hyderabad, India. If you want to change this argument values, you can change it and test yourself very accurately. So ultimately you are seeing the result with the using of call method. Alright, by passing the arguments to the function, and how we are going to be recalling with the group of data. Using JSON objects also very similar to this. Okay, we'll catch you in the next lecture by making simplification of the passing parameters, how making very simply we'll see. Okay, thank you.